Welcome to ClickFix Tech. Today, I'm excited to show you how to access Netflix for free. So make sure to stay with me until the end to get all the details. First, open your favorite web browser and search for Netflix free trials. Go to the official Netflix website and you will notice that it does not currently offer free trials. But here's the good news. Simply open a new tab and search for T-Mobile free Netflix in your browser and click on that result. Once on the page, keep in mind that this offer is only available in certain regions. Michigan AI support is available in your area on the site. Scroll down and you will find help. You can guide yourself through the steps to claim your free Netflix subscription. Simply click on the Start button, log in, or create an account, and follow the steps. It's as simple as that. If you found this tutorial helpful, please click the like button and smash the icon. Subscribe for more tips and tricks. Tell me in the comments what other tips you would like to see next. See you in the next video. Thank you for watching.